In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Twitter. First of all, and of course, you'll need a Twitter application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download this through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone, or even store, any store you're using. After that, just go and click at sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So all you need to do, just go and launch the application. Then as we said, we want to edit or to change our name. So let's just go to our profile, but clicking at the icon at the top left corner. So if you click on that, as you can see here, we have a profile option. Just click on that. And here we have an edit profile option. If you didn't, or if you just create your account, as we said on the first video, if you just downloaded Twitter and create your account, you'll need to set up your account first. But for me, I already set up my account. All you need to do, just add the location, profile picture, when did you born, and something like that. Then after that, you can just click at edit your profile. So as you can see here, we have the name here. If you want to change it, just remove that current name and change it to whatever you want. So let's just say, for example, you want to name it test. So if you click on save here, as you can see, my name is changed. If you want to change it again, just go to edit profile and let me just turn it into what it was, because I don't want to change my name. So just click at save, and as you can see now, the name is changed again. So that will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.